Hey guys, it's Helen Vandenberg here. Just a quick message. I'm just in London. Actually, I think that's maybe the Shard over there. We've got some fantastic buildings way in the background. I'm just with one of my corporate clients, and one of the things I do is help them, their teams become more entrepreneurial and think like an entrepreneur. But today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about making the best of small events. I know lots of people want to run their own workshops or events, but can be really put off by the idea of having to organise a huge event. Hey, good morning. So organise a huge event and try and get hundreds of bums on seats. Well, hey Kevin, nice to see you there. So today I'm in London. I'm just about setting up. We're kicking off in about 20 minutes for one of my corporate clients. But this has been put together from just a small group of connections that I've met on LinkedIn. So I'll just show you the room. I've got this gorgeous training room to work in. But as you can see, it only seats about 11. Really nice funky space here. So seats about 11. Each of those have paid a fee to be here, and each of them we're going to be talking about networking and becoming more entrepreneurial. But 11 seats was incredibly easy to fill. So if you are concerned about, God, I want to run some workshops, I want to get my name out there, but I don't know if I can run a huge event, I'd like to share with you some tips. So one, start with your own network. Think about who you do know and who you've got in LinkedIn, who you've got in Facebook, and who could you draw in. Hey Tamsin, really nice to see you there. So I'm here in London. I'm just about to kick off a small workshop, and I really wanted to share with you, just come on, if you are ready to step up and do some workshops to promote your business, you can either do it for a fee-paying event, or you can do it as an event that is a marketing event. You invite people for free, and you just get, you then start working the room to build business from it. So I'm going to send you a link below this Facebook post in a minute. Is that a very good friend of mine and a really excellent workshop facilitator, Ali Soleil, has got an amazing course that she does on how to launch and start your own events. So I have to say, I've worked with her for years. She is absolutely fantastic, especially if you are wanting to just start small. I know some of us speaking on the stage doesn't really freak us out. We'd quite like that, but for other people, you really can have a great event with 5 or 6 people in the room that can be profitable, can be positive, and can amazingly boost your brand. So I'm going to put a link in a moment just down to Ali's workshop secrets product. The reason I want to promote it is Ali has just come out of hospital. She's had quite a serious operation done on her hand, so obviously she's not going to be out and about for a few weeks, and one of the things she has done is pre-recorded an amazing workshop. This is something she's delivered many times, and I've been through. I think it's absolutely awesome. So if you would love to get yourself out there, start doing some workshops and start really maximizing on those relationships you have, then check out Ali's course. Otherwise, if you want some hints and tips, send me questions, send me messages, and I'll share with you how I managed to fill rooms again and again and again. Hey Emma, great to see you. Guys, I'm going to sign off now. Let's just get another great view of London. Wow, I love it up here. It's absolutely brilliant. So guys, if anyone's in London today, I'm around from about 1 o'clock, so I'd love to hook up. Anyway, have an awesome day. And like I say, if you're ready to step up and start doing workshops, check out Ali Soleil's program. I'll put the link below. But also, if you have questions or just concerns, send me a message and we'd love to help you with that. Take care, guys. Have an awesome day. Bye for now.